walkthrough of how to add those. So I would guess you head into info and increase the size of it first and then insert the bins. Is that the right workflow?
No, you can stay right within this view.
Okay.
So what we'll do is you can go out of the 3D mode.
Yeah.
And then just zoom in on and find that shelf.
Yeah.
Okay, so click on the shelf. Oh, go into edit mode. So there's a little button on the top right, edit. Okay, and so you said you need to add 2 more levels on top of it.
Yeah, so IDD7 and IDD8.
Okay, so right now the number of levels is 6.
Yeah.
So we're gonna make that 8.
And
just up below the description there, so it's up a little ways on the info panel.
There?
Yep. Nope. Go down. Yeah, there you go.
Oh, sorry. Yeah.
Oh no, that's the length and width. So keep going up a little. It's a next.
There you go.
Yeah,
sorry. Yeah, so simple. Yeah, there it is. Okay.
Okay, so now, what you can do is, so just update that in the layout.
This right.
So on there's a blue update button.
Up there, yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so now click back into that one. And we're going to go to level 7. So if you click, yep, there you go. Okay, so now what we can do is, so in the bottom right corner of the actual map.
But is this the right one now? Why is there 12 levels on this one now?
Oh, that's just, so that's showing you like an overview. That's showing you like all of the levels throughout the whole entire layout that you have.
Okay. Yeah, okay. Sorry. Yeah.
So if you click onto the rack now, the 1D.D.
1D, this one?
Yep. Yeah, so click onto that.
Just double click or?
Oh, sorry, you're already in the edit. Okay, so in the bottom corner, we're on level 7. So in the bottom corner of the map, you'll see like there's a couple of yeah. So the second one down, yep, that one. We're gonna create a shelf or bin.
Yeah.
Yeah. So okay, so now what you can do is just there we go. And so just click and drag.
Like this.
And there we go. So now you can go to the little what's the next one above there. So it's like a
drag
pan.
There
you go. Click there.
Yeah.
Okay, so now click on the bin that we just created and click once more to select. Now we've selected, or you can edit it here. That's fine too.
So that's 1D. I'm sorry. 1D dot D dot 7. Yeah, and that's it. Yeah.
And then now you can go up to level 8. So at the very top of the map there, you'll see it's on level 7 right now. We're going to go up to level 8 at the very top of the map. Yeah, there you go.
Yeah.
Okay, and so now we're going to do the same thing.
Like that. And then we go here, right? And edit it. So 1D dot D dot 8. Sorry.
There we go.
Yeah.
And then update that.
And then we need to add the barcodes, right?
And then you should be all set. Yeah. Now so that's all set.
Okay. And let me just check one thing regarding that barcode with the / thing. If that's all good. 1DD. So that's this one. How can I check the barcodes associated with these ones?
Oh, okay. So you'd want to go into the actual bin itself.
Yeah.
So you can access it from the map. So like you can sometimes from the 3D you can click on them. Yeah, there you go. And so if you go into the info on the very top right, that will bring you directly to the bin detail.
Yeah.
And so you scroll down here. Yeah, there you go. So there's the barcode.
Yeah, and then I need to, since we had like this issue, that's where I put in a / right?
Perfect.
Perfect. So that one. And can I, from this view, just quickly jump to the next location somehow, or do I like if I do like this?
You can. I believe you should be able to select in the very top drop down. There should be a way that you can select another bin. So
sorry.
Let me just give you accurate information.
You can go.
Yeah. So there is a way that you can jump there. But okay, you're already on this, so that's fine. You can do it from the 2D mode. You just go to level 8 and then select that one.
Yeah.
So now in the top, right now we're at level 1, so you'd go to level 8.
Yeah.
Okay, and now select that one.
Is it this one, perhaps? I'm not sure which one it is.
I think it was 1D.D.8, right? So it's kind of the bottom.
This
bottom
one?
Yeah.
It seems like I'm in some edit mode because I got this red drag and drop feature enabled.
That's fine. Just select on the.
No.
Oh, it's still making. Oh, whoops. Yeah, just refresh. I mean, there's another way that you can do it too. You can just go.
I think my old-fashioned way would be just to find the bin.
Yeah, that can work as well. Sometimes it can be hard to actually select the one that you want in the 3D, but
this one, right?
There you go. Yep.
And then info, and then we go down and we check that it has 1DD8 value, and I do like this, and then it should be good, right?
Yeah, and then just save that, and you should be all set.
Perfect. Okay, thank you for that. Okay, that's then I've learned something today. Perfect. Then I was hoping if we could jump into some filtering advice. So we the first one would be that is there some way that we can get like batches here that are ready but they are pick up in store, so but they are like still we can't filter them away because they are waiting to be picked up by the customer. Is there some way to filter out pickup orders or batches containing pickup orders but they are complete? Let me see if I can give you an example.
You can do that.
This one.
From.
Yeah.
Okay, so
it's ready for pickup. It's been packed.
Did you print out like a pickup label?
No.
Oh, okay.
Should we? Is that?
There is a special. Oh no, you don't have to, but there is a special like a pickup label that you can print out, and then when they walk in to pick it up, you just scan that label, and it will indicate that the order has been picked up.
Okay, so yeah,
which would really probably be, in your case here, it'd probably be the fastest.
Yeah, that will. Then we don't get Shopify POS terminal. We would just keep a tab for SKUsavvy in the shop and do that instead.
Yeah,
right?
I mean the other way. So we can do that. I'll show you how to do that. But for the interim, it's I guess we don't really have a filter on the batches, but we do have a filter on the orders. So if you go to outbound, left-hand menu, and in the top you'll see like there's a paragraph looking. Go back to outbound.
Yeah.
And then in the very top here, there's a at the very top right side, there's like a paragraph icon. Yeah, so toggle that. And so here you can see like those are pickup. And you'd be able to filter those by the delivery method and just make the delivery method pickup.
Yeah.
And so there you have like one kind of consolidated view of all those orders.
Yeah.
So that would be, a good way to just see, okay, what do we have for pickups?
Yeah.
What's the status of them? The other way, which, this I would say is probably the best way to go about it, because then you just need to scan. You don't really need to search and see where it is. So if you go back into the company and go to the templates, now I can set one up for you pretty easily, but maybe, okay, so from here, go to create, and then, so you can just name this like pickup. And then the type is going to be pickups called? Pickup slip.
Yeah.
And then that could be whatever size you're trying to use there.
Let's use the same one, 3.5, 1.4, 5, 1.4. Yeah.
Okay, so now we'll go ahead and click into the shipment pickup. And then, so from here, what you may want to do, you could just, this could be any, I don't know if you have a specific style that you wanted to set up here, but what I would maybe do is like have a row. So just grab the row.
Row. So in sections? No.
Yeah, there. And then
A row. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, there you go. Okay, and then inside of the row, in the column. So click into the column.
Yeah.
And so from here, we'll add another block, and this could be like the customer name or the order number. So probably order ID.
Yeah.
And then add that. And now maybe you want to have the customer information there too.
Yeah.
So you can click into that one, and then like order customer, or maybe even want the address, whatever it might be.
I like this one. Yeah, the best.
Yeah,
the best newsman ever born. Yeah,
that's right. Indeed. So okay, so we've got that, and now on the order ID, click into that one, and then we're going to align the text to the left.
Yeah.
Okay, and now so you can go click on like the little arrow to the left, and once more. Okay, and now from here we're going to add another column. So yep. Okay, and now in that second column,
did that come in?
This?
Yeah, there. Yeah.
And now we'll add the barcode.
Yeah.
So
is it there?
Confirm pickup barcode. There you go. Okay, and then we'll have to resize that a little bit.
And we need it in, this old stuff in Norway. We needed like the 128.
Oh. I don't know that we allow. Let's see. No. Wait, so you can't scan QR codes at all?
No.
Oh shoot. Shoot. Okay. I need to add this. Should be pretty easy. Should be pretty easy to add, I think.
Yeah. Well,
okay. Well, for the time being, let's just resize this and go down to, like, you can make the width. Let's say, make the width like I don't know,
120
or 80. Yeah, there you go. Okay. So so save that. All right, so we need to adjust the formats that's available there.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that would so when we do that, of course, they will be checked out from the store. Yeah.
Yeah. So now what you'll see when you go through that, when you go through the actual order fulfillment for a pickup order.
Yeah.
When you say, there's an option like, okay, you go through, you pack the pickup order, and then one of the next steps is like confirm pickup order is ready or something like that, and then right from there it would show there is an option to like print out this label
from here, right?
Yeah, and so that would is that yeah, so if you select your new template there,
I don't think it's either.
you may need to reload to bring that new template.
Okay, well, that's fine. I'll fix that.
But yeah, that's the way that you can do this pretty easily. I'll see if we're deleting that warehouse, if we can add a new format there. should be pretty straightforward. You're using 128 and everything.
Yeah. But so that I understand. So for now, all batches containing pickup orders that has been packed but not been picked up, they will remain in the batches view like this, right? We can't sort of exclude stuff.
Yeah,
They will.
Yeah.
So the case here will be like this one would disappear as soon as it's marked as picked up either in Shopify or by scanning the code in SKUsavvy. Then this one would be filtered away because then it would be fulfilled.
Yeah. And it's not like they don't necessarily. Oh, you have batch statuses processing. So yeah, they would disappear with that.
Yeah.
All of the batches, they still they stay there. You don't we don't actually remove them at all. They just just kind of focus down the list.
Yeah.
And then just if you do need to pull up okay, what is all of the pickup orders that we've got, going to that outbound list, and then the shipment view, that would show you which orders we actually have for pickup.
Yeah. Okay. Good. I just wanted to check some other strange stuff. If you take a look at this one, so it has 0 products, 0 of 1 shipment complete.
Oh, is this a canceled order or something?
Let me just see what it is.
So if you click on package,
yeah, if you look this is the Shopify order, how that stands, okay. And that has also already for pickup something in it, but it says fulfilled, so it's shipped and it's shipped, but it stays open with within SKUsavvy.
Was this one that you just click on package there where it says package. Okay, so and if you go back to the pick screen, so at the bottom left, yeah. Okay, so what happened with this one? Do you remember were you picking and packing this one in SKUsavvy, and then or did you fulfill that one in Shopify?
It's from July, the order. So that's probably, it's an old order that has sort of found its way in.
Okay, so in the top right, there's a little 3-dot menu from this screen.
Yeah. I can just delete it perhaps, yeah.
Okay, sorry. Had a call come through. Yeah, so you can just delete this.
Yeah, okay, perfect. So it's all good. We just check the order, and if everything is okay with the batch, we just delete the batch. Yeah.
Yeah.
I guess we probably could do that with the pickup batches as well, because the order down here will be, we will see that it's been picked, right? Can you filter here on the delivery method?
Yeah, you should be able to. So right now, the delivery method, you have shipping.
Yeah.
So
and we have, because then we can just exclude pickup orders that is partially fulfilled, and we won't batch them again. So that's actually a workflow that would stop us from having this one. So we can just what I could do with this one as well, because it's ready for pickup, that I want it away from the batch view, I can just delete the batch because the order is ready, right?
Yep. Yeah, that would work.
Yeah. Okay, that makes a lot of sense. Perfect. Okay, it's about tidiness. I want the staff always work like they want to feel like there's not 100 open batches and they are confused. So, yeah, perfect. Okay, that solves that. Then I had one question, because what we're doing now is let's say you are picking an order and you come halfway through it and you see that, okay, you're missing a product. So you ship 3 out of 4 products. Is there somewhere from inside SKUsavvy to put that final item on hold in Shopify, or do we just head over to Shopify if we want to put it on hold?
Currently, you'd head over to Shopify. this is something that we're going to change.
Yeah.
We
Oh, yes.
currently go into Shopify, and then when that product actually comes back in, then we will release the hold.
Yeah, I did that actually today with Shopify Flow. Like when an item quantity changes, check if there are back orders waiting for it, and release them by order date. Right.
Oh,
So
perfect.
that's why I'm asking. So that's a very neat workflow.
Yeah, I mean, we do want to. So order holds. There's a few things that we're going to update that to enable them within SKUsavvy.
Yeah.
So we're a little bit more on parity with Shopify.
Yeah.
But yeah, unfortunately, that one you'd still need to go to Shopify, and then on the shipment, just hold it.
Yeah, but it's easily accessible at least, so that's fine. Okay.
Yeah, and just note that, remember, like even right within the order fulfillment, like once you fulfill what you can at the top in the order details, there you should see the store tag. So you can click the store tag and it will bring you directly into anywhere that you see that store tag, whatever kind of piece of data it's showing, it would bring you to that piece of data in Shopify.
Yeah, it's really neat. So we're already seeing like quite rapid workflows coming now with the team. So it's
hey, love it.
Yeah. My only final step now is to connect, all the carts, the picking carts, laptops with the stationary printers for the shipping labels, so they don't have to jump over to another computer. And once that is ready, I think we will be up and running. And today we also did the first, to receive the first shipments, the incoming shipments.
POs?
And the POs, and teaching our staff that barcode's missing, you print the 20 of them and you put them on every product. That will make sure we don't have any fuss going from here. So that's sort of the entry point to make SKUsavvy work perfectly. And it's really starting to show that if you have the good data in and use this, so it's really nice to get that experience, because you test a lot of systems, and within a week you normally know what you've done.
Well, I can say it's probably even more gratifying on my end to hear that you guys are picking it up, figuring it out, and it's working well. That's good. So it will only get better from here. So that's the cool part. And I'm also going to share our AI tool, so that as you need some reports, as you need some kind of data, as you're trying to figure things out, you'll have a place that you can go and you can just prompt it and be like, what's my average fulfillment time? How long? What's my lead times? What are my costs? Like all of those kind of things, you'll be able to go in there and grab that pretty easily.
Yeah, perfect.
So cool, love it.
One final thing here on my list. We are heading in, like I mentioned before. So it's New Year. We have to do that massive inventory. Every single item, every shelf needs to be counted. So we're gonna have a big one. And I was wondering if there's some way here to get when you create cycle counts, you assign them to an employee. But I can't find a way to filter or look. So I would as a manager to see who are these batches here assigned to, and or to do something with them to check the progress or something. Is that somewhere else, or is it just not a feature yet?
It's not in this table, but let me take a note of this. I can get you something over that you'll be able to view that.
Yeah, that would be perfect, because when we have 5 or 6 new staff people coming in, it's nice to see how the different members are progressing, or we can tap into one. Of course, I guess inside one you should see. You can't actually. You can't see who it's assigned to when you enter it either.
Yeah, I mean you can assign it to people. They will get they've had a cycle count assigned to them.
Yeah. So they will get that as a notification, not they won't be able to come into cycle.
Leave it open.
Yeah.
So it's but I will get you over something where you can, using our GraphQL interface, you'll be able to pull that.
Yeah, perfect. So Then I guess as we head into our final, like the big inventory count, we will just do our big exports of all locations, create a spreadsheet and like a master file just for our own, to make sure everything has been counted, like a backup thing, and we'll just create a cycle count. Would you recommend us to, yeah, we'll probably go manual and scan up and assign like shelf for shelf.
Yeah, I mean, that's, certainly a way to have a little more control over it. The automatic does work pretty well. And basically, like, the system is going to add bins that have not been counted.
Yeah. Since when?
So like the least frequent count. Yeah.
So if I were to create this now, it would like start from today and everything.
It would, well, so you have like 25 bins there, so it's going to select 25 bins. Okay. But what it's going to look at and see, have any of the bins already been counted?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, this one's been counted. This one's been counted, and it will omit those ones so that you're only counting the ones that haven't been counted yet.
Okay. So like first of New Jerry, when we begin our like yearly, I would go here. But I will have to create one new cycle count for each 25 bins.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, it is a good way. It's kind of like the proper cycle count in a way.
Yeah.
I mean, this is an area we're definitely going to do some improvements on the cycle counts, being able to create counts based on SKU, based on the category or tag as well.
Yeah.
So those are some things that we want to update on the cycle count, but yeah, that would work pretty well to give you a proper cycle where it's like, okay, it's like 25 bins, boom, let's get them counted this week.
Yeah.
25 bins, kind of keeps on going through.
I think that's an excellent feature that we should use like a year around, every now and then, just to like maintenance counting. So,
totally.
But first one up, we've done some tests and done some of the manuals, as you can see here, and just testing it, and it's working fine. So it's just about prepping for that massive one that's coming.
Yeah. I hear you. Okay. Yep. Cool.
Okay. Now I guess that's it for what I had today. So we don't have to actually spend a lot more time waiting for the NOK currency and that warehouse to be removed. That would be nice. And
yeah, I will check on that again today.
Yeah.
See if we can get that added.
And then if you can help me with some filtering tools or something for the major inventory count, so I can see what the staff has to do or something, that would be, at least it would be helpful. But it's
yeah, I should be able to get that for you.
Everything else seems to work perfectly so far. So I'm good.
All right, love to hear it. Great. Yeah, I will. I'll keep up with Matthias as he updates those. If he needs help or if he needs us to do it, just let us know. We can update the barcodes.
Yeah, perfect.
And then let me know if anything else does come up. I'll circle back here later today on the NOK currency. We'll get the warehouse deleted right off. But other than that, we'll keep in touch.
Yeah, perfect. Okay, thank you for your time and have a nice day.
All right, you too, Simon.
Bye-bye.
Bye.